These mats, these are very nice. I'm very impressed. This is like a full protection for your car. So this is the front mat, snaps into the stock, snaps, looks really good. I mean, you're gonna be kind of amazed. It comes with this piece here, right, that protects this area here. I have a bunch of extra pieces because I think there's a bunch of different variables of this car. This one right here, pad goes all the way across, which is better than the stock. The stock has a seam right here, okay? Got another one right here that's in the back. I don't have a stock one here, so this was a real nice addition. I also have this one. I'm not sure where this goes, but what you're really gonna be amazed by is this back one. So this back one is like a big tray. Like, look at this back here. This is all protected and it sticks on. You can also attach it with these, around there, but it has Velcro. So it's actually sticking on there very well. Like, look, I can barely pull this off. I will put these down so you can kind of see how nice it is. It just completely protects the back of the car. Look at this. So this is nice cargo space. It's nice and protected. It's got these little ridges to catch any kind of maybe like water or anything leaking or sand, so you can pull it out. If you wanted to, you could pull it out very easily. It just comes up, but this does Velcro in down here so it doesn't move around on you. And yeah, very nice. And I welcome it. Look, and it stays on. I mean, it looks great. It's got additional clips to hide this. I didn't put them in, but they'll actually even hide that to kind of make it look even a little more snazzy. It'll also hold it in a little bit better. But yeah, overall, I'm very impressed. These stock ones are going in the trash, and I like these extra pieces. It even came with these. I'm not sure what these are for, but these are additional pieces that you can kind of double side on. I'm not sure what they're for. I'm thinking maybe for like down here or something. They're two different lengths. But yeah, it's just more stuff. I'm assuming, don't know where to go. But yeah, very impressed. Very nice, very high, feels high quality. I mean, I don't see any issues with it. This one definitely protects more of this floor in here, which I like. Yeah, and it fits very well. Very impressed.